In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove spaces in Excel data. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and bring up the worksheet that contains the data you want to clean. This is a very common task when you're working with imported lists, copied text, or data collected from different sources. Even though the spaces may not always be obvious at first glance, extra spaces can create real problems in Excel. For example, they can interfere with lookups, sorting, filtering, and general data analysis. A cell that looks correct to the eye may still contain unwanted spaces at the beginning, at the end, or even multiple spaces between words. When that happens, Excel may treat the value as different from what you expect. That is why cleaning spaces is such an important step in preparing your data. In this example, imagine you have a column of original text and another column where you want the cleaned version to appear. You might see entries that contain extra spacing in names or phrases, while the cleaned version shows the same text formatted properly with only the necessary spacing left in place. The recommended method for fixing this is to use the trim function. Trim is designed to remove leading spaces, trailing spaces, and extra spaces between words, while keeping a single space where it belongs. This makes it one of the quickest and most reliable ways to clean text in Excel. Let's walk through it. Suppose your original text is in cell A2. Click into cell B2, which will hold the cleaned result. Then type the formula equals trim, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis. The formula should reference the cell containing the text you want to clean. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately return the cleaned version of the text. You should notice that unnecessary spaces are removed, but normal spacing between words is preserved. This is especially helpful for names, titles, product descriptions, and other text fields that need to stay readable. If you have more rows of data below, you don't need to repeat the formula manually each time. Simply drag the fill handle down from the corner of the cell to apply the same formula to the remaining rows. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references for each row, which saves time and helps keep the process consistent. After that, your cleaned column will contain the corrected text, with all unnecessary spaces removed and only a single space left between words. This method is simple, efficient, and ideal for everyday Excel cleanup tasks.